Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. Today, we'll guide you through enabling the Master Admin role in Desk Director. The Master Admin role grants users the ability to log into Desk Director's admin console using PSA credentials or Office 365. To assign this role, start by logging into your Desk Director admin console. Navigate to Tech, then Members Resources. Select the member for whom you wish to grant Master Admin access. Under the Profile tab, find the role list and select Master Admin. Once selected, your member now has Master Admin privileges, allowing full access to manage with ease. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. You've successfully enabled the Master Admin role. Empower your team with enhanced access. Thanks for watching.